A powerful nor'easter is climbing the east coast tonight, bringing rain, ice, and snow that threatens serious travel disruption across the Northeast. CBS News reports the system developed over the Gulf and will put millions under winter alerts after a weekend of thousands of flight cancellations. The New York Times says forecasters warn widespread snow and ice could make commutes treacherous through Tuesday, with conditions beginning to clear by Wednesday. NPR notes some areas from Pennsylvania to Maine could see 6 inches or more, and ABC News says more than 50 million were placed on alert with schools closed. The Guardian urges residents to avoid non-essential travel and follow local advisories immediately.